How you guys doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings. This is an install video here of a DRL or front amber signal kit for the 3/4 ton GMC trucks. Now this is a brand new 2024 we have here, but I'm going to show you kind of first off. There's our kit. It's going to come with a plug and play adapter. It's going to go in behind each headlight in the box here. Okay. It's also going to come with your power extension, which is going to go into the cabin of the truck, either through the factory boot or through drilling your own hole to your factory switches or your aftermarket switches. This connector set is going to interrupt the plug on each headlight. I like to use an extremely long screwdriver, but I'll take you right down in here and show you. This is where you access the plug for the headlight. It's right down there. You can see it's unplugged already. You are able to reach your hand down in there. There's enough room, and with that long screwdriver, you're able to release the plug and get it to come off. Now, over on the driver's side, I'll be honest, it's a little tighter. But with that screwdriver, you can see I am able even to stick my hand down between the reservoir there and the framework and get to that plug. Now, if you just couldn't get it that way, you could also go in right here through the fender well and access it that way. But like I said, I got some big bare paws, and I was able to get my hand all the way down in there to get that. So if these mitts can do it, I think you can do it too. And as I said, we're going to end up either drilling our own hole in the firewall or going through the factory boot over here where the factory auxiliary switches are ran. A couple different ways to get through the firewall. I'll show you more on that from the inside of the vehicle.